Hello and welcome back, everyone. Devin with 605 Sports Cards here. Today, we're going to try out this Chronicles draft picks for 2023. So we're going to get our 4 autographs, hopefully, and a mem card. 8 packs per box, and or 6 packs per box, 8 cards per pack. Let's try that out. So we got this for, I think it was around $150. So not bad for getting 4 autographs. It is the college uniforms and the draft picks. And it is Chronicles. So it's like a 15 set in here for different kinds of cards throughout the year for all the sets. So good variety of cards. It's about half the price of, or maybe a little less than that, of buying the 2022 Chronicles that came out not too long ago as well. So it's a little cheaper, but you are going to get the college uniforms, which I'm a big college fan of the Huskers, obviously. And so I'm excited to rip this. Unfortunately, my team doesn't have really any big prospects in here. That's all right, though. Still a lot of good chases in this draft class. A lot of quarterbacks. And looking forward to hopefully hitting a good autograph. So let's just jump into this. It's probably something you've seen already. It's been out for a little bit. Let's get into our first one, though. Haven't done too much of the college cards, so excited to get in with this product since you get a little bit of everything for all the different sets they have out there. Starting off with a ticket of Dalton Kincaid for Contenders. Tank Bigsby, that's just the Chronicles base. Rookie card, Jalen Waddle on a Donruss there. And a Heinz Award. Not an autograph. I mean, it's an Emerald maybe, because I didn't see a number or anything on it. And, ooh, if this is an auto, that'd be a great one. Let's flip her over. Not an auto again, but nice Zenith there. Not numbered, unfortunately, but can be a very good receiver. Probably sleeve him up. Find my open sleeves here. Should have had them ready. Thought I had one open already. Excuse me while I tear into this one. Alright, we're all set. So, go ahead and sleeve up the JS in there. Jackson Smith and Jigba. Very nice card. Alright, and we have Josh Downs here on the rated rookie optic. And that one is numbered out of 49, so 18 of 49 there. First numbered card. Not real familiar with him, but I know the Tar Heels have kind of been up and down the last couple of years with Mac Brown out there. Still a good looking card. And a Bijan Robinson, who's with the Falcons and is going to be, I think, a stud in that offense at running back. If not this year, next year. I think he has a good chance there with Algier. And a Jalen Hurts on the clear vision. In Oklahoma uniform for the one season he played for him and had a good senior season there. So good variety, lots of cool cards to go through. Good looking acetate cards. And we have a Pinnacle CJ Stroud. So pretty common to get a little bit of everybody for the rookie class. Another nice ticket rookie. And looks like we might have our auto here or a mem card. Nope, it is just a mem card, but it's Hendon Hooker on the impeccable. And obviously, these new sets, I hate that everything is not player worn or used. I mean, they had plenty of time for get a college uniform, I feel like, for this rookie class. But pretty good mem card, pretty good one. I think he was a 2nd round pick. And had some talent. I think he's a little development, but I think he has a good shot at playing. And here we have Josh Allen on the Don Ross Clearly in his Wyoming Cowboys uniform. And a black here of Andre Carter II. Cool looking cards. Not who you're looking for in it, probably. And a nice Jordan Addison there with the Chronicles rookie card. I don't think these are numbered. I don't know if they have kind of a diamond parallel to them. Another promising receiver. Put him in the keeper pile up there. A Parker Washington, Penn State receiver. And we have another Josh Downs here on the magnitude. Another cool insert. All right, get to another pack. Looks like the acetate cards pretty much always on the back. There's a Tim Tebow and his Gators. There's Josh Downs. He's just showing up in everything. And we have another Josh Downs. Hopefully we won't pull him in our auto. Looks like we're going to have points. So go ahead and take that and make sure the code's not showing. So just 250 points, which is kind of disappointing. Getting the points on there. And we have a Baker Mayfield. You guys played everywhere now. Zach Evans, nice Spectra card. I think there's 2 of these per box, I believe. So we got Zach Evans from Ole Miss. Nice wide receiver there. And on the optic contenders, we have no Jackson Smith and Jigba. Not much luck finding too many of the quarterbacks we're looking for in this class, but we are coming with plenty of Njigbas. And Jalen Carter on the clearly Don Ross rated rookie. Alright, so 2 of our hits down, I guess. We got the mem card out of the way, and unfortunately points for our auto. So no Jordan Addison on the Pinnacle. Rashee Rice from SMU. And there's a Kenny Pickett, 2nd year now, so not the time you want to get him. Looks like we might have another auto here. And this one is going to be another immaculate, 27/49. Tajay Spears for Tulane. Can't say I'm real familiar with him. Doesn't have a rookie card, so may not be out of college yet. But a nice looking card there at a 49. And we have another black coming up of Joey Porter. Good player for Penn State. Cedric Tillman, rated rookie on the clearly. We have Jalen Hyatt. And on the back, another Njigba for the magnitude. So plenty of his cards coming through. Wish you'd find him on one of the autos or a super short print of some sort. And 2 more autos to go. Another Hendon Hooker rookie card. Kenny McIntosh, Pinnacle rookie. Jalen Hyatt rookie card. And looks like we're going to have another auto here. This is going to be a strong safety. Anthony Russo on the red there. Good looking card. And that is, looks like he's a quarterback for the Spartans. Can't say I'm real familiar with him. Good looking card though. Don't see a number on it. I thought I'd have a number with that red cracked ice there. Very nice looking card. Not really the auto we're after yet. So hopefully our last one can hit. So we have Jalen Hurts here. Stuck together, I think. Don't want to come apart. So Jalen Hurts on the XR. And this might be, I don't know, there's just one per box probably, with Felix Uzuma out of 99 from K-State. So cool looking card. Probably not what we're after. And our last couple in this one, we got Travis Dye for the Trojans, and another Trojan with Jordan Addison on the clearly Donruss rated rookie. Final pack of our Chronicles draft picks. Probably hasn't been the greatest box. Haven't hit any of the short prints, but it's fun to rip these college cards of the new draft class. First look at them. So nice Trevor Lawrence, Jalen Carter rookie, and there's another Njigba. This is probably our last auto. Maybe this will be it. Nope, let's have a Chris Carter here. A little throwback there, the old Ohio State. Nice Saquon Barkley for the last Spectra with Penn State uniform. That's a good looking card. Let's leave that one up. Real thick one. That's a good looking Spectra card there. Not sure what that parallel is. It is numbered at 99 though. Very cool card. And of course, got to have another Josh Downs rookie card. And there's a nice clearly Donruss Emmitt Smith for the Gators. All right, and Njigba will hide our last auto. Go ahead and flip it around here. It's going to be a sideways card for the Longhorns. It's going to be Bijan. Oh man, Jahlil Billingsley. Good auto though. I like these autos that aren't just initials. He actually did some signing there, so kudos for him for putting a little more effort into it besides the initials or a little squiggle. So I do like that. It is a rookie card. I'm not sure if he was drafted or if he's on a team, but good looking autograph. So let's kind of go through here what we ended up with. Obviously, we have the points for one of our autos, which just kind of stinks. Jill Billingsley on the impeccable autograph. Nice Saquon at 99. Azuma at 99. Anthony Russo. So we did get a quarterback at least, and we got plenty of Njigba at a 49. Tajay Spears autograph. Njigba on there. Zach Evans on the Spectra. Njigba on the just the base contenders. Nice Jordan Addison on, I would call it the diamond parallel. Our Hendon Hookers are patch there, relic. CJ Stroud, just a base pinnacle. Bijan Robinson's Phoenix base. Josh Downs, I call that a blue or a teal or something. That's kind of off, pretty off-centered. Oops, doesn't have a lot of space on that. And then Njigba on the Zenith here. So overall, probably not the best box. Had some decent hits. Still fun to rip. It's not super expensive, so if you're wanting some autos and get a good variety of the different products that come out throughout the year, it's a fun product to rip. And like I said, half the price if you do the 2022 Chronicles that just came out. and you get a first look at those new draft class. If you haven't yet, be sure to like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and I really appreciate everybody that has been subscribing to the channel and watching the videos. That'll do it for this one. We'll see you guys on the next one.